G'day guys, the light's crappy, it's late at night, I should be going home. But I was just wrapping up this job and I want to show this because this is really cool. We've been doing, if you know me well, I've been doing, well, Jason Wyatt, UZ, it's getting a supercharger on top of it, not this one, it's on a different truck, customer's vehicle, we'll test the loom and send it out. Link PDM, Link Extreme, yeah, we're going full Monty on this one. Oil pressure sensors, fuel pressure sensors, 2 can lambdas, probably going to get a Link can gauge as well, so it's getting the full house. Cool stuff, Link products all the way. And I've been setting up the PDM and it's been tripping out on me today. Keeps flashing up a fault code. So these little green lights here, the number 4 would stop going green, it would go red. And that suggests something's wrong. And this is why we have this technology. This is some cool stuff. We might look at some logging tomorrow while I'm playing around with this and learning the PDM and learning the software. And it isn't the easiest software to use. Okay, I'll tell you that right now when you're first trying to get your head around it. But it does some cool stuff. We're keeping this one real basic. But what it does do is it picks up faults really fast. Here's my fault. I did have it in that hole, okay? So it wasn't that hole, it would flash. But I'm pretty sure if I can go this side now, just to prove a point, and we're going to put this thing down, this GoPro down here, okay, put that down there. Okay, and you're not going to quite see that. Can we see that little, can we see the flashing? Oh yeah, I think you might be able to do it if I set it up right. Oh yeah, we can see some, you can see the green lights? Yeah, we can see the green lights. Take the coil. I take the coil, okay, and it was on the other side, and I plug it in. See, look at that. Straight away, that one tripped out. I may have used up all my trips beforehand, so I'm just going to reset it. I'm going to take the ignition power off. You can just see ignition power off. Have 8 coils plugged in here. Don't plug them upside down. All green lights. Unplug, take our faulty coil. You see it starts flashing. Now it'll go 20 times. It'll reset that 20 times. I can unplug it in time. Can I do it? Yes. Goes back to proper state. So it's no longer faulting. I think this coil's been dropped. It's been our test coil. We've hammered it. But how cool is this? PDM picks up a faulty coil. Awesome stuff. And that, guys, is why we have PDMs. To find faults you didn't even know you had hopefully before they become a problem. I've had a big day. This PDM's mostly set up. I've got to do the can stuff tomorrow. Been a big learning curve for me today. My head's ready to explode, but I got it to do what I wanted it to do. Got a video on that, but I've had enough. Hope that's been helpful. Talk to you again soon. Catch you later.